Hello, good afternoon, guys. Welcome back to my new video. Today, we will start our discussion for the next set of the questionnaires for SAP S/4HANA Sales Certification for Cloud and On-Premise. Guys, till the time if you have not subscribed to my channel, then subscribe it now. Click on the like button and share it with your friends so that they can be benefited. Let's start again. First question of the set is, what are the configurations of the guided configuration? Remember, scope item, building blocks, and solution builder. These three are the options which are considered under the guided configuration in the available options. Which of the following views of the material master are not dependent on any organizational unit in material master? Remember, basic data 1 and basic data 2. These two views are independent and doesn't belong on any organizational unit. Organizational unit mean it can be sales organization, distribution channel, division, it can be purchase order, it can be company code, it can be sales of it, any organizational unit. Now with respect to the material master and the organizational units, main are plant, company code, sales organization. There are many. These are the mains. Basic data 1 and 2. Okay. Which functions are not optional in delivery? It's a tricky question. Which functions are not optional? Not optional means mandatory. We have to do and perform that task mandatorily. Packing, post goods issue, transfer order, shipment document. Packing is not mandatory. Creation of the transfer order and shipment is not mandatory. Out of these four, post good issue is mandatory, guys. Remember it. Next is, which of the following replacements are included in S4HANA? SAP, this I have covered. If you can go through my videos, key differences in SAP S4HANA Sales and SAP ECC, you may discover about the key differences. First is SAP GTS is replaced by the foreign trade. Settlement management is replaced by the rebate. Replaces rebate, not by. Settlement management itself replaces the rebate. That is our ST rebate functionality. Third is, this is not correct, guys. Order fulfillment replaces CRM. No, CRM is used to be a new dimensional module and used to take other different functionality related with customer relationship management. Fourth option is important and correct. Revenue accounting replaces ERP revenue recognition. That used to be the ST part. How is the output handled in sales billing document? This is important and tricky question. How is output handled in sales billing document? First is BRF plus rules. Second is BRF plus rules or NAST. Third is BRF plus rules and NAST. If you see the line item number 2 and 3, it's a bit trick. Remember, so that you'll not confuse going forward. Either we can switch on the NAST based output determination, the standard classical way that we used to do in SAP ECC, or we can switch on the BRF. Only one can be activated. Both functionalities cannot be activated in SAP. Please remember it. Sales organization can sell through the plant that belongs to the different company code. This is correct answer, guys. It is possible to sell through the plant that belongs to a different legal entity, and in case of the intercompany sales, we use the same concept. Okay. Next is, which of the following steps involved in the consignment return involves picking, guys. Whenever we are doing the consignment return, we do the PGR, post goods return. We don't do PGI, remember it. Which of the following functionality ensures that correct data is transferred from the sales document from the sales document, such as delivery or billing document, data transfer routine and copy control? They ensures that data has correctly transferred and correct data has transferred from a sales document to subsequent document. It can be from sales order to delivery, it can be from delivery to invoice, it can be from invoice to the free of charge sales order. Select the correct partner Select the correct partner function which is applicable for a customer who receives the invoice. There are four important partner functions. There are many, four are important: sold to party, ship to party, bill to party, payer. And bill to party is the person who receives the bill, and payer is the person who pay against that bill. Okay. Select the correct option as bill to party. How does the system determine the warehouse number in an order to cash process? It is linked to a combination of a plant and storage location, guys. Okay, remember it. This is how system determines the warehouse number. Next question is, a condition table is a combination of fields that form the key for a condition record. Yes, condition table is the combination of the different fields, guys. By combining them, we create the condition table. We link the condition table, we assign the condition table to the access sequence, and we place all the condition tables in the access sequence from the most specific to most general manner. And this is how we create and assign. We do the linking in between the condition table and access sequence. We assign the access sequence to the condition type, then we can maintain the condition record. Header condition. Next question 302. Header condition are entered manually in the order processing. You cannot create condition record. Guys, remember, we cannot create the condition record for the header condition, only header condition. The reason is we don't assign the access sequence to the header condition, guys. If access sequence is not there, condition record cannot be created. Hence, it has to be entered manually. Next question is 303. What is controlled by the condition type? So out of these three options, calculation type, period and amount, calculation type is the option which is controlled by the condition type, guys. Okay. Next question is, you can limit a pricing agreement to a certain period. Yes, it's possible, guys. We can do that. Select the option as a true. Which of the following elements contains key that are used to create the dependent condition record? Condition table. The correct option is condition table. Which of the following elements contains the key that are used to create dependent condition records? It's condition table, guys. This is the last question of this set, guys. I'll prepare a new set of the questionnaires and bring it back for your knowledge. Till the time, guys, subscribe to this channel, subscribe to my channel, like this video and share it with your friends so that they can be benefited. Thanks for watching my video, guys. I'll see you in my next video.